Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So everyone was asking me about making a video on product research and how exactly I find products that gives me 10 plus sales each with a profit margin of more than 30%. So I have already made one video series on product research, and trust me, you cannot get any more product research videos in depth other than that. And I showed in that video series the exact steps that I used personally, and I have hidden no tricks inside that video series. And in this video I share with you some tips that you have to consider and you have to know before you do the product research and before you launch a product. But let's first show you my today's sales. So as you can see, I have already crossed my daily goal of 23 to 24k. Now let me show you the PPC spent. So here you can see I am logged into my Seller Central account. So let me refresh once. So here you see today's sales 24,600, and let me show you the PPC spent. So here you can see 1600 rupees is spent. So let's now jump to the video. So before you launch a product, when you're doing the product research, you have to know exactly how the market is, and is the product will be a good fit for this market, and even this market is good to launch a product. And in this video I will tell you guys exactly what you should avoid while doing the product research, and I will also tell how to avoid choosing the wrong product. So in this video I will share what a busy market looks like and why you should never launch a product in a busy market, and I will also share how you should avoid these markets, and I will also share what is the indicator of a busy market and how will you identify this type of markets, because the products in this busy market looks very enticing, but when you launch this product you came across huge PPC cost and the launch budget becomes huge. So when you launch, after you launch, you will see that the product is not selling at the price you wanted to sell, and even the competitors have more reviews and the bundles they offer are much enticing to the customers because the review count is much more than yours. And the products in this busy market, you have to do huge PPC spend in order to rank all the keywords. So in turn the launch budget becomes huge. So what you can do is you can spend huge money in ranking the keywords and wait to get the return on your investment, or instead you can put those amount of money and instead launch a more good product that has a lesser competition and where the bundling opportunity is more than this product, and in turn you can get your return on investment much quicker. So let me just jump to my computer and show you guys exactly what I am telling about, how this busy market looks like and what are the products that comes in this busy market and what you should avoid selecting during the product research, and how exactly you will identify a good product and what product to avoid. So the product that I selected is resistance band. So here you see when you search the keyword resistance band, now these products come in our search result. So here you see, let me first show you what results come. So what is your first thought when you see these listings, these main images? So when I saw this, it felt like this products are a lot busier, like they are offering every product is offering a lot of bundles, and customers will be really confused on what to buy. Like you see, they're showing so many things on the main image. Here you see, the customers will be really confused on what to buy. Here you see so many things. and the listing's main image looks so much busier. And this is a perfect product that you should avoid, because you will not be able to provide any bundle. Even if you provide a bundle, you cannot stand out against these bundles because you will look the same. You will also look so much busier. And suppose you try to launch a high quality product, but it will be only you that will know that it is a very high quality, because customers can't see the quality by looking at the main image. So here you see, you should never launch this type of products where the main image is so much busier and every product is offering so many bundles. And if the customers are confused to click among this, then if your product lies in between them, then it will be very hard to get attention of the customer, because everyone is trying to be different from the crowd, but still they are getting into the same. So always avoid this type of products. Now let me show you, if you try to launch this type of product by providing the same bundles. So when you launch this product, your PPC cost will be very high because all are the same and people will prefer buying the one that has a higher review count. So in order to rank all your keywords, you have to compete against the big products, big sellers. They have so many reviews. Okay, so your cost per click will be very high, and as a result your cost will be very high. So the launch period will also extend, because the main products, the top sellers, have already managed to rank maximum of their keywords. I'll just show you in a second that how the main sellers are indexed for, and if there is any option for you to launch, and if there is any keyword that the main seller is not ranked for. So let's just take the top seller here. So this one is the top seller, I guess, because it is ranked on the, so we'll open it. So if you launch with bundles, it will be very hard to get attention of the customer, and you see so many things is on the first image, and it will be very confusing for the customers to choose one from all of this. Even though it has good sales, but still you will not able to rank all the keywords, especially when you are competing with the top players in this market. You see so many busy images. So even if you offer bundle, you can't stand out against the competition. So we have opened the top competitor here. Now I'm sure that this competitor has already managed to rank almost all of their keywords, and if you go and choose some keywords to rank, then it will take a long time for you. And also I'm guessing a minimum 300 to 200 to 300 products you have to sell at a very low price, and that low price will be obviously at a loss. So even if you spend so many units in loss and then you start earning some profit, but still your cost will be high because there are so many competitors here, and until and unless you get more reviews. So let's just check how they have indexed. I'm sure every part of the listing is indexed very well. Just check this bullet point, how these are indexed. I'm sure they have managed to index all of their keywords. So it will be very tough. Just let me show you how tough it will be to rank your keywords against this. So for checking indexing of the listing, what you have to do, you have to first take the ASIN, then paste the ASIN, then space, and then the part you want to check the indexing, you copy the bullet point. So mainly for bullet points, only first 1000 characters are indexed. So let us see how this bullet points are indexed. So you see this product is coming, so they have already managed to index maximum part of their listing. That means that this product is well established in maximum of the keywords, and it will be very hard for you to compete against this type of products, especially when you are offering same type of product with 0 reviews. And it will be very hard to get return on investment very quickly. So instead, just go on a different product that has a lesser business in their main images, in their products, and a less competition, where it will be very easy for you just by giving a higher quality and one or two bundles. It will be very easier for you to rank all of your keywords that your competitor is ranking for. And let me just show you how this product has managed to, how this appear on a mobile phone. Let's check. So just do the right click and inspect, and then you have to choose one from here and then do refresh, and then it will appear as if it is a mobile app. So here you see, this is how this listing will look in mobile phone. So they have good EBC content also. Here you see. So let's just search resistance band. So here you see the listing appears, and so you see they have presented their title also very good. So here you see it is coming to tube kit. So this is the product. We'll check how many characters are there. So until this was appearing to the in mobiles, so how many characters are this? We'll just check. So here you see it is only 80 characters that appear on the mobile app or in the mobile search results. So the maximum thing that is included, the bundles, or if you have any special kind of material, then you have to include it on this sort space, otherwise it will cut in the mobile app. So now you have a good idea of how a busy market is and what products you should avoid, what markets you should avoid. The market that has lot of products that have the main image very busy and a lot of things that are happening on the main image you see. And now onwards, if you see this type of products where the main image is offering too much, then you should avoid that market, because if you launch bundles or good quality product, still you won't be able to rank all of the keywords, because it will be same in front of customers' eyes. So now we have looked exactly what products you should avoid and how a busy market looks like. So now you have seen those main images of those products, and it seems like a lot of things are happening on that main image. And if it seems busier in your eyes, it will seem busier in the customer's eyes also. So there are a lot of techniques, some small and some big time consuming techniques that I use while doing the product research. And trust me, it is really hard to cover all those techniques here. Though I have tried to cover as much as I could in the product research video series. But if you still need a step-by-step A to Z Amazon FBA coaching, then I have just launched a 8 weeks personal one-on-one A to Z Amazon FBA coaching only for 12 members. And it will be for 8 weeks with 3 coaching sessions per week for 8 weeks. And I will cover everything from A to Z, from the legal setup of your business to product research. I will share all the techniques I use, sourcing from China, sourcing your products from India, all the legal things and documentation that is required by your factory and by yourself while importing from other countries, validating the product photography, bundling, how you should bundle your products, then launching your product, managing your PPC. I will cover everything, even GST return filing. And not even that, I offer 100% success guaranteed for all the 12 members, because I guide every 12 members personally through every step of their journey. And they will get full access to my personal mobile number and my personal WhatsApp number in case they ever need it, or in case they have any doubts to clear out, or they want to talk to me about some strategies or something like that. And I will personally guide the all 12 members personally one-on-one. But I haven't priced the coaching very high like all the personal one-on-one coaching does. And it is not a pre-recorded digital course where you get pre-recorded videos on a website. And even you do not get the access to mentors on the digital courses. And suppose you have to ask some questions about your product and validate your product ideas, or you want to discuss some strategies, then there would have no options for you. Instead, in my one-on-one coaching, I go live in Google Meet with all the 12 members where they could ask any doubts or questions they have. So this 8 weeks A to Z personal one-on-one coaching will be for just 9,999 rupees, and all the things that I have discussed will be included on that. And if you want to enroll for this coaching, then I have already got a lot of applications that I have been processing, and I will select only 12 members out of those. So if you are interested, then you can email me on this email address. Or if you want to know about what's included in this coaching, then you should watch this video successfully. तो मैं इस 8 वीक पर्सनल वन ऑन वन कोचिंग का स्ट्रक्चर बता देता हूं आप लोगों को कि क्या क्या इसमें इंक्लूडेड रहेगा। तो ये वन ऑन वन पर्सनल कोचिंग 8 वीक्स का रहेगा और ये होगा गूगल मीट पे, और एक वीक में टोटल 3 कोचिंग सेशंस रहेगा, और एक एक कोचिंग सेशन लगभग 2 to 3 आवर्स रहेगा। एंड आउट ऑफ दिस 3 सेशंस 2 सेशंस रहेगा जिसमें मैं आप लोगों को स्टेप बाय स्टेप सिखाऊंगा, और एक सेशन एक बोनस सेशन रहेगा जिसमें आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं कोई भी क्वेश्चन पिछले सेशंस के ऊपर, या फिर आप लोग मुझे प्रोडक्ट आइडियाज देंगे, मैं उसको वैलिडेट करूंगा लाइव, और कोई भी बंडलिंग आइडियाज, प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्शन, कुछ भी आप वहाँ पे हम लोग एनालाइज करेंगे। और मैं इस कोचिंग सेशन के लिए सिर्फ 10 से 12 लोगों को एनरोल करूंगा, क्योंकि आई वांट टू मेक श्योर एवरी पर्सन इन दिस ग्रुप लॉन्चेस अ सक्सेसफुल प्रोडक्ट। और मेरा गोल ये कोचिंग से ये है कि जितना भी स्टूडेंट्स उस ग्रुप में रहेगा वो लोग 100% सक्सेस रेट अचीव करें, और सिर्फ इसीलिए मैं सिर्फ 10 से 12 लोगों को ही एनरोल करने का मौका दे रहा हूँ, क्योंकि अगर मैं ज्यादा लोगों को एनरोल करता हूँ तो मैं पूरी फोकस नहीं दे पाऊंगा उन सब पर्सन्स के ऊपर। तो मैं पूरा आप लोगों को गाइड करूंगा इस कोचिंग में, फ्रॉम द लीगल सेटअप ऑफ योर बिजनेस टू फाइंडिंग अ प्रोडक्ट, सोर्सिंग द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम चाइना, सोर्सिंग द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम इंडिया, validating your product ideas, validating the bundle ideas, to launching your product successfully, managing your PPC campaigns, everything covered in this coaching session. और मैं ये भी गाइड करूंगा ताकि आप लोग एकदम सक्सेसफुली सही से आपका लॉन्च स्ट्रैटेजी इंप्लीमेंट कर पाए, और मैं आप लोगों को अपना PPC कैंपेन मैनेज करने के लिए भी गाइड करूंगा 1-on-1, एंड यू विल गेट फुल एक्सेस टू माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर एंड माय पर्सनल मोबाइल नंबर, ताकि अगर कोई भी डाउट आप लोगों का हो तो आप लोग इजीली मुझसे कॉन्टैक्ट में रह सकते हैं। और ये 10 से 12 लोगों को फुल एक्सेस मिलेगा मेरे इनर सर्कल का, जिसमें आई विल शेयर एवरी स्ट्रैटेजीज दैट आई विल वर्क ऑन एंड आई एम करेंटली वर्किंग ऑन। आई विल शेयर एवरी स्ट्रैटेजीज विद देम। तो ये पूरा A to Z कोचिंग होगा जिसमें मैं सब कुछ कवर करूंगा A to Z, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द लीगल सेटअप ऑफ योर Amazon बिजनेस, द प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च, कीवर्ड रिसर्च, सोर्सिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया, ऑल इंपोर्ट रिलेटेड डिटेल्स, सोर्सिंग फ्रॉम चाइना, then creating a listing, images, all basics about images, then creating a listing, everything will be covered in this coaching. Launching your product, managing your PPC, all advanced strategies of ranking, then how to get reviews, all advanced automation for reviews and customer engagement, ManyChat automation, review automation, everything will be covered in this course. And I will be taking only a small group of people in this coaching, just to make sure every person in this group gets attention fully from myself, so that they can launch their product successfully and I can achieve 100% success rate. My sole reason of taking only 10 to 12 people in this group is just to make sure I guide them personally in every step of the journey and launching a successful product, so that they can achieve 100% success rate launching their products and make enough profit from starting. And I will be coaching only 10 to 12 people, just to make sure that every person in this group gets full attention from me while launching their products. So I'll guide every 12 out of 12 people in this group, and I'll make sure they launch their product successfully and start making profit as soon as possible. So now let's talk about the eligibility. So I will not be pricing this coaching very high like most of the other personal coaching program does. So I will take only 10 to 12 people for this coaching, depending on their eagerness to start a business and their ability to take massive actions. So now let's talk about the pricing. So the whole one-on-one coaching plus my personal mentorship plus the access to my personal mobile number until launching your first product, plus my access to my WhatsApp number for lifetime, and access to the inner circle where I share all the strategies that I am working right now and I will be working in the future. And all this is just for 9,999 rupees, and I will be taking only 10 to 12 people in this group, and I will not be taking any more. You can buy digital courses which will be more expensive, and even the one I bought costed me around 28,000 rupees during 2018. And in digital course, it becomes very hard to get access to the mentor itself and sharing your product details, discussing your launch strategies, discussing your PPC campaign strategies, why the product is not working, what strategy you should apply. That everything becomes very complex in case of digital course. So this coaching will be starting from October 2nd week, and you can email me if you are interested to enroll for this course. The email address will be here displayed in the screen. And once you email me, I will ask you a few questions and send you the payment details. And I will be announcing the exact dates after discussing with all of the members. Since it's a one-on-one personal coaching, so I will make sure your product selection is great and it's a winning product. So I will guide you in every step from A to Z. So email me on this email address before all the 12 seats gets filled up. So enroll fast if you are interested, and I will see you guys in the next video.